So how does innovation actually create value for, for potential customer? And how do you define innovation?
Yeah, first of all, I think the innovation is a buzzword. So like a lot of different people use this buzzword when they mean absolutely different things. So like, when you hear like the innovation words, like you don't really know what is that. So like what they mean by that. So, but for me, the innovation is when you basically making people's life better. So like that's how I define the innovation word.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind the Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sanna Winding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind the Innovation, or go to my website, sannawinding.com or mindtheinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.